Every e-commerce brand and marketer knows this pain. You have a great product, but creating scroll-stopping ads and videos takes days, costs money, and requires a whole creative team. What if you could just drop one product photo and get back professional ads, UGC-style videos, viral hooks, and social posts, all in under 5 minutes? Hello everyone! Welcome back to a brand new review video. Today I'm going to show you a tool that I think is going to be a complete game changer for e-commerce brands, marketers, and agency owners. The tool is called MagicFit. If you're new here and you enjoy reviews on software tools and lifetime deals, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So what exactly is MagicFit? It's an AI-powered content creation studio built specifically for product marketing. You upload a product photo or paste a product URL, and MagicFit automatically generates conversion-ready ads, viral video hooks, UGC-style videos, social media posts, and more. Think of it as your entire creative production team, but powered by AI, available 24/7, and costing a fraction of what you'd normally pay. Now, what really impressed me is the video generation quality. They're using Kling 2.6 Pro and Google Veo 3.1. These are some of the most advanced video generation models available right now. The results are genuinely cinematic. And here's the thing, you don't need any design skills. No Canva experience, no video editing background. You just describe what you want, and MagicFit handles the rest. Alright, before we jump into the actual dashboard, let's talk about pricing, because this is where it gets really interesting. Normally, a tool like this with access to top-tier AI video models like Kling and Google Veo would cost you $120 or more per month. But right now on AppSumo, MagicFit is offering a lifetime deal, meaning you pay once and use it forever. You can see here on the pricing page, they have 4 tiers. Tier 1 is $89. You get 250 credits per month. Lifetime access. Perfect if you're just starting out or testing the platform. Tier 2 is $159. That gives you 600 credits per month. Great for small businesses doing regular content. Tier 3 is $299 and you get 1,300 credits every single month, plus access to all 15 features, including the most powerful models like Kling 2.6 Turbo Pro and Google Veo 3.1, HD video with audio, priority rendering, and pro templates. And then there's Tier 4, the ultimate plan, $569, which gives you a massive 2,900 credits per month. If you're an agency owner producing high volumes of content for multiple clients, or if video generation is a core part of your workflow, this is the tier for you. At 2,900 credits, you're basically running a full content production operation without ever hitting a limit. And look at that! Tier 3 is already marked down from $600 to $299, and Tier 4 from over $1,000 down to $569. These are serious discounts on top of already being lifetime deals. Every plan comes with AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. Quick note, the links in the description are my affiliate links. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, but it does support this channel, so I can keep making these reviews for you. Alright, let's jump into the dashboard. So when you first log in, this is what you see. A clean, dark-themed interface that's super easy to navigate. At the top, you've got the main navigation, library, products, templates, and all agents. Alright, let's jump into the dashboard. So when you first log in, this is what you see. Now in the center, this is the main creation area. You can see 5 creation modes right here at the top: image to video, ads maker, graphic designer, text to video, and edit image. And just below that, there are quick action tabs, image, video, extend, replace, and ads maker, so you can jump into any creation mode instantly. The main input area is simple. You either upload a product image, or you type a product URL, and then you describe what you want to create. The same product. A clean, dark-themed interface that's super easy to navigate. At the top, you've got the main navigation, library, products, templates, and all agents. Now let's look at the ads maker. And this is where things get really powerful for anyone running paid ads on Meta, TikTok, or Instagram. When you click on Ads Maker, you see this beautiful interface. Create stunning ads in seconds. Now you have two options here. Option 1. Clone a winning ad. This is the recommended option. And honestly, this is brilliant. You get access to over 1,000 high-performing ad templates that have already been proven to convert. You just pick one, drop your product into it, and you're done. Think about that for a second. Instead of guessing what kind of ad will work, you're starting from templates that are already working in the market. That's a massive competitive advantage, especially if you're just starting to run paid ads. Option 2, Quick Create. This is even simpler. You just pick your product, choose an ad angle like lifestyle, discount-focused, testimonial style, and let AI handle the rest. No decisions to make, no design work, just results. For agency owners especially, this is a game changer. You can create multiple ad variations for a client in the same time it used to take you to make just one. Alright, now let's look at what I think is the standout feature of MagicFit, the viral video hooks section. So this feature is specifically designed for TikTok and Instagram Reels. You know how the first 3 seconds of a short video is everything. If you don't hook the viewer immediately, they scroll past. This feature solves exactly that problem. You paste your product URL right here in this search bar, then click Generate Hooks. Then you select your video style. You can see on the left side, there's an AI generation tab and an upload/library tab. The AI generation gives you a selection of pre-made UGC style presenters. Different people, different settings, different vibes. You just pick the one that matches your brand. And then on the right side, check out this preview. That's what your final video hook will look like. You can see it's a person in a car, casual and authentic. Exactly the kind of content that performs on TikTok. Each generation costs 35 credits, which is completely reasonable given the quality. The script, the presenter, the hook angle, everything is handled by AI. You don't need to hire a UGC creator. You don't need to write scripts. You don't need a camera. Just your product URL. And you're done. Now, let's look at the text-to-video feature. And this one surprised me the most in terms of output quality. This is not your typical low-quality AI video generator. Look at this screen. You describe your video here, visuals, audio, script, all in one text box. You can see this example. A woman walking in a street at night in Tokyo, wearing a varsity jacket, baggy denim jeans. That level of detail means you get exactly what you imagined. Now look at the settings below. Model. You can choose Kling 2.6 Pro, which is one of the most advanced video generation models available anywhere right now. This is the same technology that professionals are paying hundreds of dollars to access. Dimensions: Portrait 9:16 for TikTok and Reels, or Landscape for YouTube and Meta. Duration: 4 seconds, which is perfect for ad hooks. And you can toggle on high-quality 1080p, so the output is actually professional broadcast quality. Look at the preview on screen right now. This is an actual output from the tool. That cinematic nighttime Tokyo scene, generated purely from a text description. The lighting, the camera movement, the character. All AI. One generation costs 35 credits. And honestly, when you see the quality, it's absolutely worth it. There's also an advanced video settings option where you can fine-tune camera movements, angles, and more. For e-commerce brands, think about what this means. Instead of paying for stock footage or expensive product videography, you just describe the scene you want, and MagicFit generates it. Your product in any setting, any style, any atmosphere. in minutes. So let's quickly summarize everything MagicFit gives you. You get static ad creation, product placement, social media posts, background replacement, AI image generation and editing, viral ad copy, image to video, text to video with Kling 2.6 Pro and Google VO 3.1, viral video hooks, HD videos with audio, and 1,000 plus pro templates, all in one platform. Who is this tool best for? If you run an e-commerce store, if you're a digital marketer running paid ads, if you're an agency owner creating content for multiple clients, or if you're a content creator making videos for TikTok and Reels, this tool is absolutely made for you. The Tier 3 lifetime deal at $299 is honestly one of the best investments you can make right now. You're getting access to Kling 2.6 Pro and Google VO 3.1, models that are used by professional studios, for a one-time payment. The founder is super active, updates are shipping fast, and the AppSumo rating is 4.72 stars out of 68 reviews, which tells you real users are genuinely loving this tool. All links are in the description below. If you have any questions about MagicFit, drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer. If this review was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with any e-commerce owner or marketer you know who's still paying for expensive creative production. See you in the next one.